Hi, this is Dale Guiducci with ERA Credit Services, and today I'm going to talk to you about what I think is the best MLM or network marketing company to join in 2021. Now, that's a different topic. You might say, well, aren't you in the credit restoration or credit repair business? Yes. So it's a very different topic for me to discuss with you today, but you'll find out why in just a little bit. I'll be right back. Hi, welcome back. So yeah, I'm going to talk about what I think is the best MLM or network marketing company to join this year, 2021. And it is a little bit different topic for me, but I'm here to tell you that our credit restoration or credit repair business is a network marketing company. In that we have a network marketing compensation plan where you can build a team of agents. That's what we call people that work with our company. An agent, they come in, they have their own independent agency where they can represent our company and sell that company's services, get compensated and so forth. But they can bring in other agents and build a larger business, a much larger business than they could on their own, which is one of the advantages of our business model over a lot of any other really business model in the credit repair industry. So why am I talking about this topic? Well, if I'm just looking back over the last year and a half. Year and a half? Yeah, let's say year and a half. And what's really transpired? Well, there's converging factors. One of the converging factors is the overall economy coupled with the pandemic. So when you take a not so strong economy, although a lot of economic science says it was strong, I would disagree in that, not just from the trend in the economy, but when you look at the cost of living and how much it's increased versus what people are earning, that gap has shrunken tremendously, and a lot of people are struggling, and that's been going on for a long, long time, and it's getting no better. So you take that factor along with the pandemic, and you have the fact that people are looking for an opportunity. People are looking for a way where they can generate an extra $500,000-$600,000 a month on a part-time basis, working from home, where there's a very low startup cost. And that is the network marketing industry. In fact, the network marketing industry really grew throughout 2020. Our company, we did $180 million in business. I believe we were up, what is the number? 84%. We were up 84% over 2019. So we grew tremendously. But even the big, huge monster companies, even Amway grew. I mean, we're talking about the oldest company in the industry. They grew in 2020 over 2019 at 2%. Now, you may not think that 2% is a big growth, but when you are the size of the company that they are, I think they do over $8 billion a year. That 2% represents $170 million. So $170 million more than they did the previous year. So the industry is growing. Why is the industry growing? Because people are looking for an opportunity, again, to generate some income, whether that be part-time or full-time, but generate some income and not have a huge startup cost and not have a huge training platform that they have to go through. In other words, weeks and weeks, maybe months of training to understand what it is that they can do to earn that income. And there's a lot of work at home businesses. Don't get me wrong. I mean, network marketing is one side of it, and there's a lot of other things that you can do to generate income from home. But when you take into account the expertise and a lot of these things that you need to know, that you need to have that expertise, it takes years to gather that expertise. So if you're really good at online marketing and doing sales from home and marketing products, affiliate marketing, those kinds of things, you're already really good at that. That's a great path for you to go now, but most people aren't. Most people need an opportunity. Again, they can learn really quickly, low startup cost, and get into it. So that's one converging factor. With our company, and why I say this is the best MLM, a network marketing company in 2021, is because we are in the credit repair industry and our industry is growing. Again, what did I say, 84% above 2019 during a pandemic. That's unbelievable. That's not just because we're in the network marketing arena. That's also because of the services that we sell. People need to improve their credit score. Sure, you know, there was money trying to be made available for people to be able to borrow last year, but you still needed a credit score to get your hands on that money. I mean, interest rates in terms of mortgages, all interest rates, but mortgages are at the lowest they've been in history, but you still need a credit score, a good credit score, a qualifying credit score to get your hands on that money, and people realize that now. So they're out there trying to improve their credit score. So when you take the economy and what's going on with that and the need for part-time income, and then you take our industry that's booming right now, and I don't see it ever getting better. In other words, the number of people that need credit repair, I don't know that that's ever going to drop, right? But you take those two industries and you marry them together, it's an unbelievable opportunity. Now, you know, you might be looking at this, maybe you've had some experience in the network marketing industry or MLM, either way, same thing that you're describing with either of those two terms, right? But maybe you've had some experience and your experience wasn't positive, right? Well, I'm here to tell you that in network marketing, and I've been doing it for a long time, I've been with this company for 9 years, and I've had prior experience back in other years. I'm going to tell you why potentially people don't have success. Number one, they don't have the expertise coming into it. It's a very unique industry, okay? And if you are someone that has not been exposed to that industry in terms of building teams and things like that, there's a learning curve involved, right? So you have to give it time. The other thing, though, is you have to be coachable. I see in this industry a lot where people come in and they want to be the lone wolf. They want to do it their own way. And it just doesn't work in network marketing. You can't go outside the system and try to do your own thing and build your own thing unless you've already done that with other companies, unless you've already been super successful with other network marketing companies and you built that system over there. Now you can potentially bring that system and bring it over here, but that's not what happens. I'm talking about people that are getting into it and they just want to do things their own way. So if you're that lone wolf, it's going to absolutely be a challenge. Robert Kiyosaki, very successful guy, right? He's a big proponent, by the way, of the network marketing industry. And he says you need two things to be successful. You need a system. You need a system and you need a network. Well, in network marketing, in a lot of other things you could do from home, you have to build both, right? You have to build the system and the network marketing or the network, right? In our business, you already have a system. See, we already have that for you. But if you're that lone wolf type of person and you aren't willing to work within the system, that's going to be a challenge. But if you're coachable, teachable, just show me what to do. I don't want to reinvent the wheel. I want to play team. If you're that attitude, man, we got a great system. And now we just need to teach you how to go out and build your network. So that's why a lot of people have not been successful, is because either they didn't bring the skills coming in or they weren't coachable. And on top of that, they didn't stay around long enough to learn it, right? They got a little frustrated. Their expectations were way up here for their level of expertise coming into it. But if you are willing to pay attention, be coachable, and stick it out long enough where you can actually reap the fruits of your labor, so to speak, man, it's a great opportunity. And some people, right, coming in have some skills. They are very coachable and they have great success right away. Others, it takes a little bit longer. Each person is an individual. But what a great marriage between network marketing and the credit repair industry coming together with our company. And there's an opportunity out there for you. Now, here's another thing about the network marketing industry in terms of a criticism that I think is well-founded. I do believe that network marketing companies have some of the best products and services available on the market in the United States. I mean, typically, network marketing companies have top caliber products. The problem with that is that they charge so much for those products, right? And of course, one of the reasons why they have to charge so much is because they are paying out all these commissions on the other end, to the team that's out there marketing the company, right? So they get all these commissions to pay out. And so the product is not competitive with what you could buy in the store, with what you can buy online. And I think that criticism is well founded. With our company, though, we're not a product, first of all. We're a service. So we don't have a shelf life. We don't have to worry about the manufacturing of the product. We don't need to worry about FDA approvals of the product. We don't have to worry about shipping and warehousing the product. We don't have our agents, in our case, or reps, whatever, inventorying their product in their garage. None of that stuff. It's a service. So it's very streamlined, and therefore the cost of providing that is minimal. And of course, as you do volume as a company, then that cost per delivery of service goes way, way down. So it allows us to play in the credit repair business. I mean, compete against Lexington Law and Sky Blue Credit and Pyramid Credit and all those companies that you know of out there that are on the front page of Google, as well as all the local companies and mid-sized companies all over the United States. We compete against them extremely well. In fact, the average cost for credit repair service in the United States, according to NerdWallet, is about $100 a month. We charge $89 a month. So we're actually on the lower end of the market, where companies like Lexington Law are charging up to $130 a month. So we can provide the same service as brick and mortar companies, so to speak, and really compete from a price standpoint. But here's the best part. We don't just provide credit repair like all those other companies that I mentioned and that are in the credit repair industry. We provide a lot of other services to help people improve their credit score, protect their credit score, monitor their credit score, free of charge, again, for that $89 a month. So we provide a lot more value. In addition to that, we provide a lot of financial services. Like, does this country, does this market, does America need education in finances right now? Do they need services right now to help them with their finances? Of course they do. And then, of course, we got the credit score piece to help people improve their credit score. It's an amazing combination. I mean, you could call it the perfect storm of the market that's out there, the economy, the pandemic, our product set, all converging to create, again, what I believe to be the best MLM or network marketing opportunity to join in 2021. Here's another criticism of network marketing companies. All they do is recruit, right? They don't have any customers. All they do is recruit. Well, we have 2.5 times as many customers as we do agents. That's unheard of in the network marketing industry. So in other words, we concentrate very, very heavily. Yes, we want to build our teams, sure, but we concentrate very, very heavily on customers. In other words, people that are just utilizing our services. They're not building a business. They're not earning an income. We concentrate very, very heavily on getting customers. So we're in a different ball game, so to speak. We have a different focus than your traditional network marketing company. And here's another thing too that I've never heard with any other network marketing company, is that we as agents with this company, we can go out and develop relationships with other professionals, people in real estate, mortgage, the automobile industry, the solar business. They work in a bank where they need clients that have a certain credit score to qualify to buy from them, buy a home, get a loan, put solar on their roof, buy a car, etc. Right? We can develop a relationship there and get referrals of customers coming back from the automobile salesperson or the finance manager at the dealership or the solar salesperson or the general manager at the solar company or the real estate agent or the real estate company. We can go out and network and people will refer clients to us. It's a great relationship for many reasons. Number one, we can help the consumer, right? Because we have a consumer that's motivated to buy a home, let's say, but doesn't have the credit score. So we get to help that consumer get into a home. We help the real estate agent or mortgage broker or whoever be able to close a transaction that can put thousands of dollars in their pocket, right? And it's good for us because we get another customer. So it's a win-win-win all the way around. It's awesome, but it also helps us build our business, and where we don't have to go out and pound the pavement every day, so to speak, to get clients. Clients are actually coming to us. So that's another advantage of with our company that I don't know that there's other network marketing companies. If you're selling a a vitamin or a health product, like, where can you get referrals like that? You can't go to a company and say, hey, would you put my product on your shelf? In fact, the network marketing companies won't allow that in most cases. So you don't have that avenue to go out and generate business. So just to kind of sum this up, I absolutely, with everything in my being, do feel this is the best network marketing or MLM opportunity to join in 2021 for everything I've told you about. But there's more. There's details, of course, on our business model and what we do. And if you want, the video will pop up at the end of this showing you where to go and find the information. I'll put a link in the description. I'll put another link that you can go to our website and read all about it and get your information that way as well. And then any way you look at the information, we have the ability for you to book a phone appointment. Watch the video first, right? Watch, there's a detailed overview video. Watch that video first. If you like what you see, then book a phone appointment with us, and someone will get on the phone with you, someone with experience, someone that's doing this every single day and success in doing it every single day, and talk to you. And you can ask them questions. You can, what's your experience in working with this company? I mean, you can ask any question that you want, and we'll answer it to the best of our ability and see if this is the right fit for you, for sure. And who is this a right fit for? Well, really anybody that's looking for some extra income, that wants to work from home, where there's not a huge startup cost and not a huge lead time to be able to learn enough about what you're doing to be able to earn that income. I mean, you can be up and running selling our services within a couple of days. And the startup cost is less than $300. I mean, we're talking pretty sweet deal here. So anybody that's looking for some part-time income, for sure. But as I mentioned, real estate agents, mortgage brokers, solar people, automobile people, etc., maybe those folks, instead of referring the clients to us, they would want to become an agent as well and represent our company directly. We've had thousands of real estate agents and mortgage brokers and solar salespeople and automobile salespeople and car finance managers do that. Because they're going, well, wait a minute, instead of just giving these people away, why don't I talk to them about the services, put the client in the system as a new customer and earn the income? And you can absolutely do that. So that's the second kind of person that would want to take advantage of this. And then the third person is someone like myself and my wife, Shirley, where we were looking for a full-time career. We had a business that was, I mean, running us ragged into the ground, and we couldn't expand our income because we were only getting paid on what we did. It was an accounting business, and we had to provide accounting services in order to get paid. So it was a limited business that we had. We were looking for something different. We were looking for a full-time career, and that's what this has been for the last, I'll call it 9 years. It'll be 9 years this August of 2021, 9 years that we've been in this business. It's been a phenomenal business for us. A phenomenal full-time career for us, and provides a lot of freedom in scheduling and time and so forth for us to be able to go do what we want to do at our age. It's like time. It's time to go have some fun and enjoy life at the same time, make an extremely good income. So there you have it. And if you're interested, you're curious, if I piqued your interest a little bit, go watch the video. And again, I'll link it underneath this video. Go watch that video. If you like what you see, book a phone appointment right underneath that video, and we'll get on the phone and talk. So hopefully this was helpful. You went, wow, you know, I kind of like network marketing. I'm open to network marketing. Well, here's a great opportunity for you. Watch the video and then let's talk. Take good care. Top is up.